Pets can experience fear and anxiety in response to unfamiliar stimuli or situations. It's crucial to recognize these signs and provide reassurance and support to help them feel safe and secure. Gradually exposing them to new experiences can help desensitize them to their fears. Pay attention to your pet's body language and behavior for signs of fear or anxiety, such as trembling, panting, or hiding. Identify the triggers that cause your pet's fear or anxiety, whether it's loud noises, unfamiliar people or animals, or changes in routine. Create a safe space for your pet to retreat to when they're feeling anxious, such as a cozy bed or crate in a quiet room. Use positive reinforcement to reward calm and confident behavior, gradually exposing your pet to their triggers at a pace they can handle. Consider using calming aids such as pheromone diffusers, calming collars, or anxiety wraps to help reduce your pet's stress and anxiety. Consult your veterinarian for advice on managing your pet's fear and anxiety, including medication or behavior modification techniques if necessary. Regular playtime and exercise are essential for pets to release pent-up energy and prevent boredom. Engage them in interactive games, provide stimulating toys, and take them on walks or outdoor adventures to keep them mentally and physically stimulated. Set aside dedicated time each day for play and exercise with your pet, aiming for at least 30 minutes to an hour of activity. Choose activities that suit your pet's age, breed, and energy level, whether it's a game of fetch, a brisk walk, or a puzzle toy that dispenses treats. Rotate your pet's toys regularly to keep them interested and engaged, introducing new toys or activities to prevent boredom. Use playtime as an opportunity to bond with your pet, using toys and games to reinforce training commands and encourage positive behavior. Incorporate mental stimulation into your pet's daily routine, such as food puzzles, training sessions, or scent games that challenge their cognitive abilities. Pay attention to your pet's physical limitations and adjust the intensity and duration of their exercise accordingly, especially as they age or if they have health issues. Positive reinforcement is a powerful tool for shaping your pet's behavior. Use treats, praise, and affection to reward desirable actions and encourage them to repeat those behaviors. This approach helps build trust and strengthens your bond with your pet. Identify the behaviors you want to reinforce in your pet, such as sitting calmly, coming when called, or using the litter box. Use high-value treats, such as small pieces of cooked chicken or cheese, to reward your pet for desirable behavior. Pair verbal praise, such as good boy or good girl, with treats to reinforce positive associations with your pet's actions. Be consistent in your use of positive reinforcement, rewarding your pet immediately after they exhibit the desired behavior. Avoid using punishment or negative reinforcement, as this can create fear and anxiety in your pet and damage your relationship with them. Remember that every interaction with your pet is an opportunity for positive reinforcement, whether it's during training sessions, playtime, or everyday activities. There are various training techniques you can use to teach your pet new behaviors. From clicker training and target training to shaping and capturing, find a method that works best for your pet's learning style and personality. Clicker training involves using a small device that makes a clicking sound to mark desired behaviors, followed by a reward, such as a treat. Target training teaches your pet to touch a specific object, such as your hand or a target stick, with their nose or paw, which can be useful for teaching tricks or shaping complex behaviors. Shaping involves breaking down a desired behavior into small steps and rewarding your pet for gradually approximating the final behavior. Capturing involves waiting for your pet to naturally exhibit the desired behavior, then marking and rewarding it with a treat. Keep training sessions short and fun, aiming for multiple short sessions throughout the day rather than one long session. Be patient and consistent in your training efforts, providing plenty of positive reinforcement and adapting your approach as needed based on your pet's progress and response. Consistency is crucial when it comes to pet training. Establish clear rules and expectations and stick to them to avoid confusion and reinforce positive behavior. Consistent reinforcement helps your pet understand what is expected of them and builds confidence in their abilities. Set clear boundaries and rules for your pet's behavior, such as not allowing them on furniture or begging at the table. Enforce these rules consistently, responding to undesirable behavior with a firm no or redirection to an appropriate behavior. Use positive reinforcement to reward desirable behavior consistently, whether it's with treats, praise, or affection. Coordinate with family members or caregivers to ensure everyone is on the same page when it comes to training and reinforcing your pet's behavior. Avoid sending mixed messages to your pet by enforcing rules inconsistently or allowing them to engage in undesirable behavior occasionally. Be patient and persistent in your training efforts, understanding that behavior change takes time and repetition. Aggression in pets can stem from fear, frustration, or a desire to protect their territory. It's essential to address the underlying cause of the aggression and provide appropriate training and socialization to help your pet develop more appropriate ways of expressing themselves. Recognize the signs of aggression in your pet, such as growling, snapping, or lunging at people or other animals. Identify the triggers that cause your pet's aggressive behavior, such as resource guarding, fear of strangers, or territorial disputes. Avoid punishing or scolding your pet for displaying aggressive behavior, as this can escalate the situation and cause further stress or anxiety. Consult with a certified animal behaviorist or trainer for personalized advice and training techniques to address your pet's aggression effectively. Use desensitization and counter-conditioning techniques to help your pet feel more comfortable and relaxed in situations that trigger their aggression. Provide plenty of mental and physical stimulation to prevent boredom and reduce your pet's stress levels, which can contribute to aggressive behavior. Introducing a new pet into your household requires careful management of multi-pet dynamics. Give each pet their space and resources, gradually introduce them to each other, and supervise their interactions until they learn to coexist peacefully. Introduce your pets to each other gradually, starting with scent swapping and visual introductions before allowing them to interact directly. Provide separate feeding and sleeping areas for each pet to prevent resource guarding and reduce competition for food and territory. Supervise your pet's interactions closely, intervening if they display aggressive or inappropriate behavior towards each other. Use positive reinforcement to reward calm and friendly interactions between your pets, such as sniffing noses or sharing toys. Be patient and persistent in your efforts to help your pets adjust to each other, understanding that it may take time for them to establish a harmonious relationship. Seek guidance from a certified animal behaviorist or trainer if you're struggling to manage your pet's interactions or if aggression or conflict persists. Environmental enrichment is essential for pets to lead fulfilling lives. Provide plenty of mental stimulation through puzzle toys, interactive games, and enrichment activities tailored to their species and preferences. A stimulated pet is a happy pet. Offer a variety of toys and activities to keep your pet mentally engaged and physically active throughout the day. Rotate your pet's toys regularly to prevent boredom and keep them interested in their environment. Provide opportunities for natural behaviors such as climbing, digging, and foraging by incorporating enrichment activities into your pet's daily routine. Create a safe and stimulating outdoor environment for your pet to explore, including a secure enclosure or fenced-in yard. Use food puzzles and interactive feeders to encourage your pet to work for their meals and satisfy their natural hunting instincts. Be creative and experiment with different types of enrichment activities to keep your pet entertained and engaged, adapting them to your pet's individual preferences and abilities.